keeping 38,000 items ready to ship, minimizing detours on your way to the extra mile. Visit uline.com.
KCBS traffic and weather now with the 6-day forecast coming up, but let's check out this drive again with Tim Wunderly first. Now, the worst of the worst is still the Central Valley, the town of Ripon. This is northbound Highway 99. It was a pickup truck that was pulling a trailer that had a forklift on the trailer. The trailer overturned, so this is a major issue with northbound 99. It's before you get to Jacktone Road, and this report is brought to you by Cars for Kids. That left lane is blocked. On the northbound side, traffic is backed up through the Salida area. The southbound side also may be affected with that left lane. Traffic here is flowing all the way back from 120. 99, either way you cut it, northbound or southbound. Also, we're hearing from the KCBS phone force, and CHP concurs there's a stall on the Carquinez Bridge. This is eastbound. It's the far right lane. It's a stalled RV. There's some Caltrans in the left lane, so you're going to have to zig and zag as you cross that span. This is on the eastbound side, but the Chilton Auto Body collision cam just sees a little bit of sluggish traffic, not a huge backup right now. We're looking at the Bay Bridge. Traffic has actually improved a little bit. We're just backing up now at the toll plaza from the area right where West Grand merges in, no longer backed up into the MacArthur Maze. Well, don't wait your old car. You can donate it to Cars for Kids. This is the easiest and fastest way to donate your car and get a tax deduction. Donate online at carsforkids.org. That's Cars with a K.
1-877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today.
Your next update, 8:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS. April 6-day forecast now from the KPIX5 Weather Center.
Hey, good morning. Meteorologist Jessica Birch here. Happy Friday Eve. We are so close to the weekend, and as we head into the weekend, we're warming up a lot. Daytime highs are actually going to peak into the 90s in our inland areas, but let's first start off with today. San Francisco sitting right in Oakland with partly cloudy skies. Partly cloudy conditions stick around in the Santa Clara Valley today at 84 for our daytime high in San Jose. Now, as we head into our inland East Bay and North Bay, like I mentioned, today we're dealing with upper 80s, but 90s are right around the corner as we Saturday's forecast. Saturday will be the hottest day of the weekend, then we'll start cooling down as we head into the rest of the weekend, and 80s returning into the forecast, even low 80s as early as Tuesday. We'll keep you updated on that here in the Weather Center, but for now, I'm meteorologist Jessica Birch with your KCBS KPIX5 First Alert Forecast.
We've got traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. KCBS News Time 8:51. The Bay Area Air Quality Management District has extended its air quality advisory for eastern Contra Costa County. KCBS's Bob Butler reports a fire in Pittsburgh marshlands still is putting out heavy smoke.
The so-called marsh fire started May 27th in Peat Moss. It had a big flare-up on Saturday, and Alan Payton sure noticed.
Right now, it's not bothering me that bad, but earlier it was. It was worse earlier. Today, it's the wind is. But man, we kept our windows closed at the apartment for the last 2